Let's take a look at this example. We have to first organize this expression. I will factorize first x squared. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm going to rewrite this problem one more time, and I'm going to write x squared y squared minus 3x squared minus 4y squared plus 12. Why? Because I can factorize x squared from these two terms, and I can factorize 4 from these two terms. Okay, so I'm going to factorize x squared first. X squared is the common factor for these two terms, and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have y squared minus 3. From these two terms I'm going to factorize minus 4. Inside of the parentheses I'm going to have y squared minus 3. Now take a look. We have common factor in these two terms. That's why I'm going to factorize the common factor, and I'm going to write y squared minus 3. And inside of the parentheses I'm going to write everything whatever left over here. Okay, so I'm going to have x squared minus 4. We have two differences, okay, but we're not going to touch this one because 3 is not the perfect square. That's why we don't touch it. I'm going to just simply copy this down, y squared minus 3. And because 4 is the perfect square, I'm going to rewrite this as x squared minus 2 squared. Remember, the formula for difference of perfect square says x squared minus y squared is equal x minus y x plus y. That's why I'm going to rewrite this part of my answer as, copy this down, x minus 2 and x plus 2. This is the solution to my problem. Next example. This time I have two squares, x squared and y squared, and I have 2xy. Anytime you have perfect squares, it's good to rewrite this example as x squared plus put this expression between x squared and y squared and copy whatever left, minus 4. Look at this part very carefully. This is nothing else, just the square of the sum. Do you remember the formula for the square of the sum? X plus y squared is equal x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay? I get exactly the same expression. This expression is the same as this one. So I can rewrite this as this. And I'm going to write x plus y to the second power minus, and 4 I'm going to rewrite as 2 to the second power. Take a look what we have got. We got nothing else, just the difference of two perfect squares. Okay? This is going to be my x. 2 is going to be my y. And I'm going to use the formula for the difference of two perfect squares. And I'm going to say this is x plus y minus 2 times x plus y plus 2. Next, we're supposed to remove the parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to have x plus y minus 2 And over here I'm going to have x plus y plus 2. This is the solution to my problem.